Okay, guys. So you're all welcome. We'll start very soon. Okay. Just give me a few minutes and we'll start very soon. I can see a lot of people here, and I'm coming to make some announcement, and we'll look at the chat. So I'll be with you guys soon. Okay, so you can watch me live on YouTube. You can watch me on Telegram. You can watch me on Zoom. Okay. So I'm just trying to share the links. Okay, guys. Okay. So let me know, those over here, let me know, how has the week been so far? What have you been up to? How has the week been so far? Let me know, just let me know. How has the week been so far? How has trading been so far? I can see Adama here, I can see Martinez, Aqua, I can see Kojofe, Leo, Nyakofele, Cops, Make It, Greg, I can see all of you. So how has the week been so far, guys? Let me know. How has the week been so far? The challenges, the opportunities, and everything. Just let me raise your hands so that I can. Okay. Victory FX. Victory FX. How has the week been so far? Wow. Wow. Oh, Derek. Thank God. We've had sleepless nights and other stuff. Just trying to give you guys the best, and there is new things we'll be adding. Those who are not in the VIP are missing something. Like, for me, I feel like you guys are missing something. The VIP, something free for everybody to join. I know there's been challenges with the account verification and other stuff, but we are just trying to, I think from the 20th of this month, you can actually use your ID to fund your account and start trading, and you'll be given 30 days to get your bank statement and other proof of residence so that you can have that time too. So once you come here or you want to open an account, instantly you can start trading with your ID. So from the 20th, that's what we are trying to do, just to onboard people very fast, you understand? Just to onboard people very fast, okay? a minute. Oh, just a minute. We'll start very soon. Okay. So good afternoon, minute guys. Okay. Let me give my. Okay, guys. So sorry for keeping you waiting, and so I'm live on YouTube. I'm live on Telegram. I'm live on. Is it Zoom? Okay. Maybe if we had Instagram and Facebook, I could have had everybody. Now, you are welcome. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Smash the like button and press on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload my next video. And it's been a while since I came online. I can see the only Lady Gaga supervisor word. I can see you. You want to talk? Okay, so she raised the hand. So let me see. Let me see those on YouTube, what they are saying. YouTube. Okay. So guys, you're all welcome. You're all welcome. And now I have some few announcements for you. Tomorrow, wow, I can see Elom saying money over poverty. Yeah, that quote, MOP, money over poverty. You understand? So it's all about money. It's all about money. Forex pay my bills. You can see it. Forex pay my bills. And there is this guy. If you were live yesterday around 1 a.m., what was happening was I was discussing with a guy, like we're just interacting, and he's also a nurse, and he had to quit his job and come full time to trading. You know, he said something that now he's giving like 2005 whatever, and he decided to. He went on leave and he had to resume, and he checked what he could have made in a year and checked in a month and checked what he could have made. He said so many funny things, but it made sense at the end of the day. See, so I feel like you don't need to quit your job, but you can also if your job is that flexible, if your job is something that you can add FX to it, why not? Why not? You can just add it to it. I don't know why this thing keeps on. You can just add FX to it and you are good to go. Okay, you are good to go. So for FX, FX is something big. FX is something that can create that level of wealth for you. You just have to use proper risk management and be consistent at what you do. Focus on the learning and the reward. It is only FX that there is a direct relationship. Making money has a direct relationship with learning. Okay, so and I must say that I'm very proud of what my students are doing on the Telegram page. So if you are on YouTube and you are not in the Telegram page, I'm pinning it here. Don't forget to join the Telegram community. Okay, don't forget to join the Telegram community and the discussion page. Okay. So don't forget to join the Telegram community and the discussion page so that you can also enjoy the best from whatever we do over here. Okay. Now, one amazing thing is that from tomorrow, we are going to start our trading floor. I told you guys that it's coming up, and you see, I believe that if you are in Accra, and you can make it, we start probably at 8 a.m. from the London session all the way to the evening. Okay, so if you are in Accra and you can afford to pass by, it's absolutely free for this week. And we are even extending the time such that we are planning to even do it more or less like a 24-hour service, that we can even have people run shift and people would come during the Asian session and other, like you've closed from work, you don't know what to do, you want to pass by. It's just like you passing by to make a little money and you go off the market. And we're also looking at streaming it. We thought of streaming it, but we want, you see, the feel of being part of a community. Like sometimes when you are trading alone, you see certain things and you be like, wow, you make a very good analysis and you might see it go against you. But I feel like when you are in a community and people are trading together, you tend to see your wrongs and also correct it, you understand? So it's a good thing creating that community that you come around and we all make money together. And we are also trying to add weekend, like Saturday and Sunday to it. All you have to do is that, I mean, you pay for that, you join. If you already have an account with at the Deriv, you can deactivate your account and sign under our account. We make it Saturday and Sunday, we might reduce the daily pass to like 40 cedis or 30 cedis, okay? So that everybody, if you are in the house and you want to make some money from volatility index, we all come together, gather here, do analysis, play some trade with the little money that we have and make money and we go home. You'll be surprised that 30 cedis or 1 cedis that's less than $5, 5 times 10, $50. So if you're able to make like, let's say $50 from your $50, that's like 500 cedis from, how do you call it? 30 cedis or 40 cedis that you pay. So guys, it's an opportunity for you guys. Let's gather here and do analysis together. We all make money, we go home. We'll be trading currencies, we'll be trading volatility index and whatever. If you don't have an account, come so that we would help you to go through the account process and get yourself verified. And one great thing is that even from 20th, which is on Monday, is it Monday? 20th is, let me see, 20th will be on, okay, so from Saturday. So let's say from Monday, when you open an account with Infinux, we are going to, it will be like instant verification kind of. So you give you instant temporal verification. So you can deposit, you can, with your ID card. Once you open your account with your ID card, you get your MT4 or MT5 account ready. You start trading, fund and start trading. Then we'll give you 30 days, good 30 days to go to your bank and get your statement just to get it verified, okay? Or we'll be adding a T certificate and that, but we'll give you 30 days, full 30 days to get your account verified. You see, the verification process, they can't use the ID card because of the fact that they can't use only the ID card because they are also regulated by regulatory bodies. So like you are going to open an account at a bank, you need proof of residence. And that is what, if you're a trader, you should know that these things are very basic. Like it's something you need to get them down all the time. So if you don't have it, find ways of getting your bank statement. When you go to the bank, you can do instant change of address to make it match with the one on your, the one that you used to verify your account. And they'll print it out for you. You put it down. Anytime you want to do verification, use that for verification. As a trader, it should be part of you. The TIN certificate, they said if it's more than 1 year, whatever, they are not going to accept it. But we are talking to them, I think they will accept it. Even your TIN certificate, you can use it to verify. Okay, and your bank statement, you can use it to verify. So bank statement, if you use EcoBank, I also advise you that if you have EcoBank account, okay, try and open a dollar account with EcoBank and get their dollar Visa card. Their dollar Visa card. Once you deposit with dollar and withdraw with dollar, okay, so that it can also be easy for you, so that you will not be exchanging your rate in, how do you call it, Ghana cedis and the rest. And you know, the Ghana cedis is always falling and the dollar is rising. So even if your money is with Infinux and it's in dollar, you withdraw in dollar and everything, the inflation rate or the currency exchange rate will not affect you. Always the dollar will go high. So by the time you even withdraw, your money would have appreciated in value. So try and get a dollar account. EcoBank has a dollar Visa card, like your dollar account, your forex account. So the one that you deposit and withdraw dollar, they can give you a Visa card to it, and you can use it to deposit to your account. And there's no charges. If it's $100, Infinix will take $100. No extra, how do you call it? No extra charges on it. Yes. Yeah, good evening. Okay. No, yeah, you can just walk into the bank, even if you've not used the account for so many years. You just need the address on it, on the statement. It's not about the funds that you have in your account, just the address on it. So they just print it out and they give it to you. If the address is not the same, you can even use, if it's dormant, you can even use like maybe 50 cedis to activate it or 100 cedis to activate it. Later, you can withdraw it to ATM. You just need the address on it just to verify your account. And every other broker, whether XNET, whatever, Handtech, whatever, now they will need bank statements now. Even now, I think Handtech didn't need bank statement. They use the Ghana card, but they also have to go through, get the TIN certificates for you, and it was taking time. That's why they were having issues with the approval, the early approvals. Okay, so I don't want us to go through that process of, getting your account. Me, I have so many things to do, but I always try to attend to people personally. I'm one of the mentors in Ghana that I have, direct relationship with mentees. Some of them you go through a lot before you even speak to them or something. I'm not that kind of mentor. I try to always build rapport and build a community. So come around, let's all trade and make money together. I have one of the finest trading hub that you can even have in Ghana. We have internet, everything. Come around, let's all trade, make money together. And at the end of the day, whilst I'm making money, you're also making money. I don't even need to be there all the time. You see, there are traders on the platform. There are people who have gone through the STR. And if you've gone through the STR and you do all this kind of exercise, you'll be surprised that you trading together with your friends, it helps you to see things that you are not even seeing. It helps you to improve personally. So that 30 cedis or 50 cedis a day or the 400 cedis will not, it will rather improve your capacity. You'll be able to trade and make much profit on the market, okay? Okay. Mhm. Oh yeah, for me, that's my advice. You can use CDs, but you see, my only problem is when you find with CDs, there are two scenarios. Now, when you find with CDs now, maybe by the time you are withdrawing, the dollar would have gone up and your CDs that you'll be getting will go up. That's one thing. Okay, it also makes sense. But the dollar, when you use dollar, when you are withdrawing, you get the same value of dollar. You get the same dollar, but the value in Ghana cedi maybe in 3 months now would have appreciated in value. Okay, so you have to just think about it and decide which one will best benefit. But they are all the same. You can get a Ghana cedi, and in 3 months' time, when you are drawing the dollar, the value of the cedis will still go up. It's the same thing. Okay. My only thing is that if you want physical dollar, that is when you use the dollar account. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Brave King. Yeah, good evening. Okay, Brave King. To do what? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's what we are planning to do so that you guys too can also have a feel of it. Yeah, we are working on it. As to how best we can also stream it, and those not around can also subscribe to it and have a feel like um, you are connected, and you can also look at the chat and ask questions. Yeah, we are doing that. We will do that very soon. We just started. So, oh, okay. I get it. I get it. Yes, I saw some people were up. You saw that we had an interesting conversation. You heard about life story and everything. It was very, very interesting. And you can see the level of knowledge he has. He is my mentee, actually, but you can see the level of knowledge he has. That should tell you that, there are serious traders around who are not even popular. They are not even popular at all, but you can see the kind of knowledge he had on the Elliott waves. And to have that kind of knowledge is it's not easy. You have to grind. So those mentors and other stuff that you see are making a lot of noise, Charlie. There are people under, there are people that are really trading and they have that big knowledge. Those other people that they make. Forex is not about noise. It's about what you can do on the chart. You understand? So we are thinking about it, and we are hoping that very soon it will also stream it out there, and you guys can see. Nyako Philip. Yeah, Nyako Philip, you raise your hands. Okay, so please, if you are not ready, please don't raise your hands. And Nyako Philip says, I'm new to how do I start? So how you start is basically you so you contact, just DM us on Telegram or DM me on Instagram. Nyako Philip is on YouTube, so DM me on Instagram or Telegram. Then we can actually take it out from there. But we are having an upcoming smart forex trading course for beginners and intermediate. So we are starting from Monday to Friday. We'll be having the course, and if you want to join, you can also join. I think we are advertising it, so a new course will start very soon. And if you've not joined any of our course, then you can also join. You can also recommend it to friends, relatives, and you can see the good work that we're doing in the VIP group. So you can also recommend it. And if you are not in the VIP group, then you are missing something, because I will always update you. I will always do my best. I go through a lot. Now, yesterday, if you were up around the 1 a.m., you will see what we go through making analysis. Like, you can see the different angles that we are trying to tackle the chart. Like, you can see a sell formation, then you can see a buy formation. So I was combining Elliott waves, harmonics, and he was doing only Elliott. So you can see where the angles be able to go through to put one trade down. So when people ask me how many trades can you put a day and other stuff, you guys, you don't go through a lot. So I think you bear with us. Okay. Yeah, Kojo Fame. Brave King. Okay, so Kojo Fame, you can ask your question. Kojo Fame, you can ask your question. Yeah. Yeah. Because if that's what they want to do, then that's what we can do. Because at the end of the day, they need something. Yeah. Yeah. The date is acceptable. Yeah, that's the only way we can do that, because the document is acceptable. It's just the date. They said they don't want it to be more than 1 year or something. I don't know. So maybe we just have to change the date. That's the best way we can, because that's what they can tell us to do, and that's the only way. So you see that the bank statement, the thing certificate, we can all use that. If you have utility bill, it's not your name, you can just draft a tenancy agreement. Tenancy agreement, there are a lot of templates online. Just draft it. The name of the landlord, the name of the person on the utility bill, you can use it as the landlord on the tenancy agreement, and you add it to it, and it is approved. You understand? That's how best you can be fast on this. That's how best you can be fast on this. So, yeah. Okay. Black Dot Family says, which broker do we use? We are using Infinox. We are using Infinox Global. They accept mobile money, they accept Visa card, bank wire, and everything. Just a minute, guys. Hi. Okay, guys, I'm back. So now, so what we use is, so it's asking of the broker, we're using Finox, and see, we are come to do big seminars, big programs. I'm even planning of boot camps. So if you are in the trading floor, Dr. Harmonics community, and you are part of the members, you are a kinsman of Dr. Harmonics community, then we are planning, when you guys are making money, we are planning to go on Dubai trips and go and have vacation in Dubai, look at the, the chart for the next week. And we have big things. We have to plan big things. And it's all about money. So if you don't have money, how are you going to, achieve that height? So just join the community. Let's do big things together. Let's make money. And you can also plan your life very well, so that at the end of the day, you'll be laughing and you'll also be laughing. You understand? I'm just building very big community that everybody can benefit from it. So please, if you are in Accra, tomorrow from 8 a.m., the trading floor opens. I'm trying to invite some one mentor or two of them, so that they will come and also speak to you guys about the opportunities in the market, how you can plan your day. I'll be giving out, once you subscribe, I'll also give you trading templates, the trading journal, so that you can also plan your trades very well. And come on, let's meet like-minded traders and let's make money together. We are just come to discuss the market. I might not even be there. There are people who would also come and they are very good. We'll discuss and look for the opportunities. So someone will be looking at Eurocars. Someone will also, because you can't glance the chart at a time, someone will be looking at this. Another person will be looking at this. So once there is opportunities, we all look at the ones that gives us the best opportunity, and we place the trade. We make money. That is it. Okay. Race, you want to speak? Race. Race, you want to speak? You can speak. Yeah, Race, please, you can speak. Okay, Race is not ready. So, so someone is saying, if he's not in the country, how can he join on YouTube? How can he join the community? So we are trying to actually, yeah. Good evening. Yeah. Okay, so we are trying to find ways of streaming it. Okay, we are trying to find ways of streaming it. so that you guys can also benefit. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, Frank Pippa, you wanna talk? Frank, yeah. What is your reason why you want to have multiple brokers? Why? Why would you have a broker? Okay. Um, okay. Why? Which who is which can you share the broker here? F Oh, but FBS, if you don't have if you don't have the document, what document are they asking for? Okay. Oh, this one I no problem. Me, they've done it to me before. You just use a pen and the problem being your problem. Oh. You just use a pen or a marker and you sign. No, you just sign at the back of the card. I wish I had. Where's my? Oh, yeah, I don't know. See, get a ball pen, the blue one, the local one, or maybe a temporal marker that is, I mean, the tip is quite small, and sign. Then you take a picture. You remember the three digits, the three figures on the card, the CVV. Cover it and sign where the paper is. There is a paper at the back of the card. If there is no paper, because the middle there's a small paper, you can sign on it. Or if there is no paper, just get something to sign. You can get a temporal marker like this one. You just sign. The one with the small this thing, you just sign and that's it. Once you sign, you are good to go. Then you take a picture. After that, you clean it. Well, any problem, then you send it to them. I used to use FBS actually. So you just do it and you withdraw your money. See, now just go with a broker that me, if my clients have issues, it hurts me. I would confront them and I'll go the extra length to make sure that it's resolved. You understand? Yeah. So please, you can easily do that and you can withdraw your money, come to give you VIP and you enjoy. Any other question? So please, we need you to be around tomorrow if you're not. No problem. No, it's best you stick to, it's best you have account with one. Bring your money to Infinix. Use small lot size and trade. See, let me tell you something. trading, when you have big money in an account and you're able to manage your risk very well. See, when you have $100 in an account or $50 or $20 and you play 0.01, now when you do proper, where your stop losses and your entry, when you do proper risk management, you will see that even the 0.01, which is the minimum, you are risking about 10% of your money. However, if all the money is in one account, let's say you have $5,000 in one account, and you do your risk calculation, and you want to raise maybe 1% or 0.5%, and you get 0.2 or 0.05, it's better than risking big, because you raise big here, because the amount is small. At the end of the day, you are hurting yourself. So rather put the money in one account where you can get expert advice, expert opinion, and trade effectively. There are people in my VIP group, if they were trading by themselves, like they would have blown their account now. I know one guy, I check at the back office and I know what you guys are. There are some people that they don't like, they trade my signals, but they also look for other signals elsewhere. So sometimes I'll call by, and with the other signal, they will see a sell. Automatically, it contradict, then they will close that trade. Because even if they are in profit, they'll close it. Because if I'm saying buy and their other signal provider is saying sell, at the end of the day, it contradicts. So they'll rather say that, yeah, so see, so please, see, follow who know road. And you see, if you are following a lot of mentors and you look at the analysis, how they're able to generate their signal. For me, you are even lucky, you're able to know how I'm able to, I bring the chart before I bring signals in my VIP. I'm able to tell you what I'm looking at. So you're able to see in perspective what I'm doing. But if other mentor puts maybe buy USD, how did he get it? You should know. And if other mentors are like they are, see, every strategy works. I'm not saying mentors are not good. Every strategy works. But first of all, look at what goes into the strategy. What angles did he actually analyze the market to arrive at that? And you see, I've done inside that I do my the STR, when I put it in the chart, if you do STR, you know what I'm doing. I have a trademark that any signal I place and I put the chart. If you do STR, you understand what is there. So if it's going against you, you understand. That's the trademark of a good mentor. So you should be able to understand why those signals were, they were called. You understand? So once you know that, you are good to go. Okay. Sunisi, you want to talk? Sunisi, you want to talk? Alpha and GN, I'll get back to you. So Sunisi, you can talk. Okay, Sunisi is not ready. Sunisi, you can talk. Okay, it's not ready. Alpha, you can talk. Mohammed, you can talk. Yeah, good evening. Yeah. Yes, why not? Okay, 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 okay. You are in Ghana? Okay, okay. GN, you can speak. GN, please. Okay, it's muted. Sunusi, you can speak. Sunusi, you can speak. Yeah, good evening. What? A beginner. A beginner, you should not be looking at exotic pairs like USDs are USD Turkish lira and all those pairs. You should not be looking at BTC because those pairs are more expensive to trade. You should be looking at minor pairs and probably major pairs. Gold, though beginners love gold, but gold is very dangerous. It can really hurt you. So if it's hurting you too, it's hurting you big time. So please be careful, especially if you have small money and you want to trade gold. Be careful. Okay, very, very dangerous. Careful with gold. It's very, very dangerous. Okay, those in the STR, you can also join me live on Telegram. You can also join me live on Zoom. Okay. 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 I think there are no more questions. So please. Hey. Hello. Who is speaking? Jen. Okay. 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 Oh, yeah. Okay. So basically, we have a recommended broker, and once you sign up, you deposit money over there, $100 and above. Sometimes even $50, I consider, and once you do that, we would give you free signals for 3 months. You are not going to pay anything. As long as you keep on trading with us, you are not going to pay for the first 3 months. Okay. However, if you don't want to be with, come again. I didn't hear you. You asked a question. So we are having, the link is in the group. The link is in the group. You can, it's Infinox Capital. It's Infinox. So the link is in the group. We've sent it. So we have the registration link over there. You can join and have an interesting discussion. Okay. The link is in the group, so you can register and join the VIP. When you go to the pin messages, you see the link over there. I just sent it to the Telegram group. You can also check it. Those on YouTube, let me see YouTube. YouTube too, I just send the link. I just send the link on YouTube. So you can also click and join. Okay, so John Samakwata says you are good. I'm not in the VIP, but I'm using your chat very well. So he's not even in the VIP, but There is a lady here, she has also made some withdrawals and other. Charlie, people are cashing out. So you just have to be, just stay to, don't be so greedy, take it slow. And because if you are greedy and you keep on please, power, I'm also human. I'm not supernatural trader. I'm not a god. I also have that experience. I've been 13 years on the market, it's not a joke. But I try to give you the best of signals. Okay. So I'm not a god. I can also make mistakes. So when you are trading, use proper risk management. Good loss size. Okay. DH, you can talk now. DH, you can talk now. Please, DH, you can talk now. Okay, DH is not ready. Okay. So if you have an account with them, you can either so you can either change your email address and open a new account, or and go through the verification again, or you just send a mail to the live chat and tell them that you want to be under I'll give you just DM us, I'll give you a code. So you just tell them you want to be under this IB number. So they'll just put you under IB. We'll see it over there. They automatically will add it to the VIP once you are funded. Yeah. So if you want to be in the VIP, $100. In extreme cases, sometimes we do $50, but we don't do below 50 the VIP. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Please, any other question? I don't know. So tomorrow, please, if you've done STR, please be present at the launching. If you can be present, it's free. Just come and have a feel of, come and vibe with the family, your student mates, those before you, and come and have a feel. Yeah, yes, tomorrow. Oh, you can. Why not? You can. Just that, Oba, you can. At least you come and have a feel of it, and it will give you that this thing to, you can come. Just that you should have an account with us before coming. If you don't have, um, when you come, we'll help you create one. You can create one and you bring your documents, we'll help you through the verification process. But once you sign up, from next week, there is instant verification, instant trading and other stuff. So before you even join this thing, the trading floor, you should have an account with Infinite, because that one you only need your ID card to start trading. We give you 30 days to go for your statement. So it makes sense. Understand? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. And, no, we don't deal with contact anymore. Okay. 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 Mhm. Okay. Thank you. So, dear me, and you have a deal. Mhm. Yeah, you have a deal. Okay, thank you too. So, Black Dot Family on YouTube is saying, what are the best way for withdrawal that you can recommend? So, withdrawal, it depends on your country that you're coming from. So, every country has its distinct withdrawal. For Ghana, we have mobile money, Visa card, bank wire, and all those kind of withdrawal. So, wherever you are, you can also use, we have paper, we have USDT, we have bank wire, we have Visa card, whatever. Neteller, Skrill, everything. Even BTC, everything, we have it. Okay. Maximum capacity, you want to talk? Okay, maximum, you can speak. Hello, maximum, you want to speak? Okay, maximum is not ready. Carl, you can speak. Good evening. Okay. So what is the problem? Because there are people who have also this is so there's one guy who was trying to access the client area, and you have server error. Now, those things when they happen on website, first of all, you have to clear your cookies and everything. You clear your cookies because sometimes your cookies will not allow the page to, or when there is something like a very big security feature on your listing. Because I mean, Supervisor did withdrawal from Momo yesterday. There are a lot of people did withdrawal yesterday and they have it. Supervisor is here. She can testify to she did withdrawal yesterday. There are a lot of people. So I don't know what specifically is your problem. Like, okay, maybe I'll connect via Zoom, and or this what you can do. Give me your login and password. Then I'll try it. If it works, then I'll let you change it back so that I'll know whether it's from you or it's from the whole thing. You understand what I'm saying? Uh-huh. So just tell me once I'm then I'll check it out for you. Okay, GH, thank you too. Okay, GH, you wanna speak again? You can talk. We'll be doing chart analysis today, so we'll be doing chart analysis very soon. GH, please you can talk. Okay, GH, okay. AW22, you can talk. Eh, okay, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, thank you. Thank you for your contribution. AW22, please, you can talk. Hi, AW22. Okay, he's not ready. Yeah, I can hear you. Yes, I can hear you. You see, prof firm is good, but my only problem is, as beginners, first of all, you see, let's say you want $100,000 account. You've deposited, you've done maybe $550 for the 100,000. It's an evaluation. So let's say you want to use MFF, and they give you, you remember, you know that there is a risk over the side that you shouldn't go below a drawdown of 5%. 5% of the 100,000, right? Now, you should also meet 8% profit in the month. Now, 5% as a new trader, it's very easy to reach there. I'm telling you, it's very, very easy, because I don't see many people lasting with profit if you're a beginner. You would rather give away your money. You just have to go through, build that capacity before you go to profit. Other than that, every month you'll be giving out your money like that. Profits are for people who have really understand the risk aspect, and they've gone through all the nitty-gritties or whatever, and they're able to make that consistency, because the target is not easy. You see like 5% or whatever, but when you are trading, it's not easy, because you have to be very, very calculative. You understand? If you use big lots and you make it back and you hit your target, the next, because you have to go through two how do you call it? You have to go through two processes. And the first stage might pass, but the second stage is somewhat of a problem. So first of all, develop your skill, build your capital. At a point, once you are seeing consistency, then I will personally recommend you to also join a prof firm, because you can also make money out of that. Yeah, but if you don't master the skill well, you throw your money away all the time. Okay. Okay. So please, last word, before we go to the chat, make sure you okay, so someone, Black Dot on YouTube, is asking a question: which BTC wallet will you say is good, and which money transfer will you do most? So when you go to let me show you something. So when you go to Infinite, if you want to use the there is their mode of payment. I was trying to see whether I'll show you one of their mode of payment. I'm coming. I don't want to take time and go through all those processes, but what I can tell you is that they have cryptos. So there are two crypto merchants that you can choose. Okay. So once you go there, you get the crypto. This thing, I have to take it off. So you get the crypto wallet over there that you can actually use to deposit and withdraw. Okay. So you guys, so first we were charging foundation, intermediate, advanced course. Now we've done it very simple. I have to change the details on the website. Okay. We accept Visa card, PayPal, everything. We accept it. Just that I've held on with the paper. I want to know if anybody knows how I can get So how I can withdraw my paper in Ghana? So I have a paper account actually. So it's a company paper, but how to get the money in your account is the problem. It's a verified paper account, but how to get the money is the problem. So if any of you has a way I can get it, please let me know. Okay. Okay. So please, Sarah Yamiche, you want to ask a question? Sarah, okay. Sarah. Okay. Yeah. Have you? No, I have a banker, but withdrawing has been a problem. So have you tried it before, the withdrawal? Okay. So which card do you use? That is the problem. That's the problem. Because Ghana is restricted, but you can get a paper. So if you are not in Ghana, sometimes it's quite hard. But I learned Access Bank and one of the banks. Yeah, prepaid card hours. Okay. Bismarck. Bismarck. Okay, Bismarck, you want to ask a question or you want to contribute? Bismarck, you want to talk? Okay, GH. Okay. Mm. See, people say a lot. People say a lot, but we've not been able to. I want one which is verified, like you can actually withdraw. Yeah, victory. You want to talk? Who? Maybe like outside the country. I get it. Okay, I get it. Okay. So guys, tomorrow I'm expecting everybody, and we'll be doing as I told you, we'll be doing I'll try and see whether we can stream it. I'll try and see whether we can stream it tomorrow. But I'm promising you an interesting. So when you can also look for opportunities on the market. Charlie guy. So if someone is looking at Eurocard, someone is looking at pound USD, everything, we'll look at all these opportunities and we'll try and make some cash out of it. So let's go to the chart and let's see what is happening. Let's go to the chart and see what is happening. Okay. Okay. So let me also know what you guys are expecting, like in terms of what are some of the pairs you guys are looking at, so that I can also Okay, so let me look at some of the pairs and see. Gold is still going, guys. Now gold, wow, gold will still go down. So this is a pure, those who were up around the 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. or whatever, you saw the analysis we did on gold. It was very evident. Now, this was a full 5 weeks, 5 impulsive waves. So with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we are expecting a full corrective wave for all these impulsive move. That means that the full impulsive move is done. Now we are looking for a corrective wave. So the correction for all these waves should come down. Now, when I put my fib level from here to here, that's like, so the worst scenario, it should get to this point, 38.2. Now, it should break the 38.2. So when it gets 38.2, it's if it's forming a zigzag, we can have 1, 2, 3, maybe something like this, then come down here, forming a zigzag correction, then to go up. Or we can have a flat correction, maybe coming here, then comes back here, then come and complete here, then go up. Okay. So any of the, I don't know the kind of correction that is going to occur. Or we can see all this one forming maybe a triangle formation like this. Maybe this. Okay. Maybe this. There to go. Okay, so we don't know the kind of correction that is formed, but what we know is that the cell might, the least place it can get to is this point, 38.2, which is 1760. But you should look for a proper entry level. Okay, you should look for a proper entry level. Now, when I do my chart this way, I'm looking for a perfect correction that should happen over here. Please, can you check on base 25 and 75? Okay, I'll look at that. So what I'm expecting that this cell over here should cause the break of market structure. That means that it should be able to break from here. It should be able to come down all the way, okay, to break to this level, to cause break of market structure, cause a rate test, okay, maybe a rate test like this. Then it will form a harmonic pattern to 88 or something, okay, before we have the up move going. Okay, even gold, I've told you guys, there's something you should check with gold. The other time I told you guys about something. Now look at the daily chart for gold. This is gold, right? Now look at something over here. Those who were live yesterday, I'm comparing gold to gold to DEFI 10-year treasury inflation, okay? Okay. Let me add it to my chart. This is the 10-year Treasury inflation index. Okay. This is the 10-year Treasury inflation index. Now, let's look at gold. Let's compare it to gold. Look at something here. Look at this. You see, it has that inverse relationship. So this one from here, it went up, down, okay, flat, then up, then it starts coming down. So it has gotten here, right? Now, when you check here, so from here, it came down, down, up, then we had a flat, then came down, then it has come here, right? Now, look at let's use the fib levels from here. This smart trading, from here to here. That's like 78.6 of the whole trend. Okay, 78.6. That's where the 10-year Treasury inflation index has got into. But look at gold. Let's look at where gold. So from here, gold has not even gotten to 38.2. Oh. Gold is now at 38.2. So that means that gold is expected to come around the 78.6 here. This should tell you that gold is lagging now, and we should see more sell for gold coming in very soon. Okay. So for me, I'm more sell conscious, more sell bias for gold. You understand? You just saw what I did. I'm more sell bias for gold because of this. Okay, I'm more sell bias for gold. So even in the long term, this is forming more or less like a cipher or shark pattern. So maybe it's coming around here. Okay, so that means that gold should also be looking for a sell. Maybe shark or cipher. You see? So we're looking for more gold cells. We're looking for more gold cells. That's all I can tell you. I don't joke with my gold cells. If I see gold cells, I'll take. Okay. Hey, BTC, it has gone up. I thought it was coming down. Wow. It's still trending up. Okay. So once it breaks, we are coming to this level. Okay. Once it breaks, we are coming to this level. However, I count. These are just key levels. By now, you should know the whole trend. So the whole trend came from the cipher or shark party. So there is it. So we are targeting either here, which it got to, or the shark, which is $11,533. Okay. So if it's able to break this, then we are going to the shark party. Okay, which is 11,000. However, it can still go out for it from here, but once it breaks, okay, so if it breaks down, then we are going to this level. Sweet Lord. So NZD card, from here to here, to 88,113. So here, this form more or less like a bat party. So 88. So it's going to alternative bat party, which is 113. Okay, it's coming here. Because around the one, it rejected and it's coming. So it's coming to 113 here. It's coming to NZDK is coming to 0.78784. Now, when you go to the lower time frame, let's say the 4-hour, it gave us an ABC correction over here. So we have A, so A, B, C, D, E. It formed the A, 5 waves. This is a leading diagonal. Okay. So from here we had A, B, C, D, E. Now, this will form the X. So W, X, Y. TradingView made tools for Elliott waves proper. Now, so this will form W, then the X will be ABC, running flat correction. So we had an ABC. Then this one too should form 5 waves. So it's more like a complex zigzag. So A, B, C, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now let's go within this one, the small one. What happened? So this was the ending diagonal, which ended the pattern. So it was basically like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the fifth move ended like A, B, C, D, E, right? Then it started dropping, okay? So this was a flat correction. This was a flat correction. Please follow me on Instagram at Dr Harmonics. Follow me on Instagram at Dr Harmonics. Okay. So the whole move is W, X, Y. Then it will drop. So this is the move, okay? This is the whole corrective move for NZDK. That means you are going to see sell for a long time. And it's going to drop all the way to 113 to complete the alternative bat pattern. We can't even see the 113. Go ahead. I do a lie or another paper. Let me check. Alternative bat. So that means that we are going to see a sell all the way to this place. That's what I'm expecting to complete the alternative bat. Okay. Now the sell, you don't just enter like that. You have to, so it can form as like a full 5 waves. It's going to form a full 5 wave. Okay. So this one might go, so you might have something like this. 1, 2, maybe 3, 4, 5, like this. It can be like this to complete. So just be looking for, pullbacks. So once you see maybe a pullback here, you can join to the downside. Okay. Okay, so if you have any charts, you can let us know. You can let me know. Gideon, pullback. I'm not. Pullback is just something like this, then it goes down. Okay, pullback is just a correction, like this one, like what happened over here. Okay. Okay, let me. Okay, Martinez, you want to speak? Martinez, you want to speak? Martinez, you want to speak? Okay. Okay, those on Telegram, if you want to speak, let me know. If you want to speak, let me know. Okay, other than that, I'm going back. Okay. Okay, so someone is telling me to share VIX 25 and 75. It's not a chart I've looked at, but let me see whether I can do that. Let me see whether I can share that. So if you want to trade binary.com if you want to trade derivative on Telegram, you can use tradingview.binary.com. Okay. Please, there is a link for, there's a link for synthetic indices derivative in the Telegram group. You might want to sign up to also join the VIP group for derivative. Normally, derivative VIP, I mostly post a lot of charts on weekends. So bear with me if this weekday you've not been seeing a lot of signals. I mostly do the signals on weekends. So it is what it is. So someone said volatility 75. If I don't see any signal, I don't. Okay. So this is the break of market structure. Now, for VIX, for volatility 75, I don't look at a bigger structure like that. So I'll look at all these structures. Then you come to the immediate one. What is happening at the immediate structure? So this whole thing was an impulsive move. Okay. From here was an impulsive move. Then we are having an ABC. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm seeing this one as more or less like a flat correction right here. I don't know. It's not an ideal structure I would want to look at. Then this one breaks this level. So maybe you can use a projection from, what is the projection? Projection, fifth extension. So from here to here, then you're heading towards one, which is this level, the 1/5. That means that the same distance from here to here should give us from here to here. Okay, so that's how I would want to. Now, when I go, this is the 24-hour. When I go to the maybe 4 hours, I'll look at the immediate, what is happening at the immediate point. So it's forming, you can see that there is a break of market structure here. So we had this one. This is the break of market structure. So this forms the B, and it retraces back and it starts falling. Now, when you put the fib level from, let's say here, because this is where the trend started. We can even do it from here to here. That's 38. Let me do it from here and see something. Okay, so it's still there. So we are looking at between 80, between 80 to 113. You should see a correction, a form of correction over there for a buy. You can go to 113. Any of them can. So we will just be looking for a reversal, maybe ending diagonal, a falling wedge, or anything that should tell us that the trend is about to change to the upside, right? You are following the top-down analysis I'm doing, and that is how I analyze the market. I'm not here to teach, but I'm just trying to show you what goes through to get a trade down. We go through a lot. Okay, so at this point, the sell will still continue. Between 88 to 113, we should have some small reversals there. Okay. So we are having this is what I'm expecting the triangle. So I'm expecting that maybe we can also be having this. An A, B, C, D, E. Then a further drop. Okay. We can also have that one. So this one can still continue all the way to either here or come here. Then we have it's forming like an ending diagonal, but it's expanding. The more it comes, the more it's expanding. So that's what I'm expecting over here. So there is more cells in this one. It said VIX 25. So let me save this. Now, guys, a moment. Guys, a moment. Okay. Yeah, signal load. Yeah, signal load. You wanna talk? Signal load, you wanna talk? Please, signal load, you want to talk? Okay, so signal load is not ready. I like your name, Signal Lord. That's nice. Supervisor, you are not talking. Kojo Fame, okay, Prosper Kuma, Elon Rich. Guys are here, they are not talking. Abraham, what are you saying? Osbert is fire. Martinez, okay, Signal Lord, you want to talk? Okay. Then let me mute you. Okay, Martinez, you want to talk? Okay, they are not ready to know. Let's go and check pound USD, the pound JPY. I called the trade in the morning, but I've not even checked it. Wow. Boom. Ah, I soon. Hey, we had no hope. Hey. Wow, 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 wow. Guys, these are some of the trades. We picked the trade around here. So first of all, I was scared that to hit the stop loss because I wasn't sure why it was still coming down. Our stop loss was around here. So I told them that, okay, we can close, we'll pick it up again. Then when it got here, we called the buy in the VIP group. Let me show you guys. I think we called the buy. I think we called the buy. By now, please close pound JPY. Close in the VIP. Let me update it. Those in the VIP, please close pound JPY. The way it has, please close pound JPY. Let me update the group. Hey, I've even forgotten the whole. Wow, wait, guys, wait. Guys, wait. Don't close, wait. I'm checking something. This is a potential. It can also come here. Let's see what happens on the, let me see 4 hour. 1 hour. Guys, you close it for the meantime. Eh? We are just waiting for, please, those in the VIP, close it. If you're able to get something like a zigzag or a flat and it goes up, let's wait for the correction. Let's wait for the correction first and see what will happen. So maybe because this is a key zone that it can go up. It's a very, so let's close it and wait for another buy opportunity if you should continue buying. You see, this is the power of harmonics. So See, type the 78.6 exactly. It didn't type the 88, it typed 78 and pop, it's gone. So please close your trades. Those in the VIP, close the buy trades in profit. Close the buy trade in profit if you are in the VIP. So this was take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. So please close the buy trade. We are waiting for a pullback before we engage. Let's wait for a pullback. Okay. So we know where pound JPY is going. We know where NZD card is going. USDs are, for me, I was looking for an opportunity to short this trade because this looks like a throw out. So I was looking for wave 1. So I'm looking for this to be wave 1, 2. I told you guys that if this one comes back to the zone, I will sell 3, 4. So 3, A, B, C, D, E, 4, then 5. Now the 5th wave is coming here because I see the whole pattern forming. So we can, because see USD, I'm coming to call the sell for USD. I want to go and check the DXY first, but USD is an exotic pair. It's very, very expensive. So if you go and use big lot, 0.01 is even okay. I know Crown is huge. So please, if you don't want to blow your account, then go and use 10 lots. I'm coming to call the sell. Let me check the DXY. Okay, so DXY. So we can see this one as a complete correction. Let me check what is happening here. Let me see whether we had a 5. Okay. Okay. So we can see this one. It's possible this one can come down to this area before the up move continues. So that let me see this one too. Let me go to the okay, let me so we have key levels here. We have on the fib levels. Okay. So maybe we should have, like, let me check Euro USD, because this one looks more or less like a flat pattern formation for me. ABC, X, ABC. And it has broken the C leg. Charlie, I'm selling USD. Let me check Euro USD. This is what confuses me. Euro USD. So does it mean this one has not completed? Let me check this. A, A, I wanna see what move. I wanna see what move is happening here. Because I was thinking here, initially I told you guys that we can even have one more wave, but it didn't happen, it's still going down. So, but DXY, I want to see of DXY see, or I should see a good, I mean, the sell should break, because this one can also go up like this. So I want to see more sell, very evident before I make a decision on USD and the rest. Because USD where it is, it's giving me a good indication to sell, because it has come back to my zone where I saw this one as a throughout of the fifth wave. If you don't understand the meaning of throughout, just Google throughout in Elliott waves. You will understand the meaning of throughout. Okay. Okay. For US hundred want to hit 11. Guys, is there anything you want to know? Is there anything you want to know? Let me know if you have anything you want to know. Just let me know. Okay. I saw some pound pairs. So over here, what happened is the shark pattern 113. So it's a shark pattern. Now the shark pattern completed, and after that there was a triangle formation A, B, C, D, E. Now it broke and retested and it's coming. So I don't know whether it's going to I want to know whether it's going to tie this area, this other block area, before this sell candle over here. If you should tie this area, I'll be looking for opportunity to sell more. Okay, I'll be looking for opportunity to sell more from this area. So that's it for pound AUD, because overall, when you go to the weekly, there's still more, there's more sales over here. They should form an ABC correction. Okay, and that should complete this pattern here before the buy continues. So let's say from here, we have 78.6. That means that we are expecting to go to 1.272 February. Okay, on the weekly. Now, once it's completed, we might have 61 from here to here, maybe 1. So we might have 78.6 or 88.6 of the shark pattern. I'm looking at something like this. Oh, okay. So this is just a continuation pattern, like a downtrend. So even this one should give you AB. So AB equals CD. Okay. Then from here, it might retrace all the way to the top before a sell continues. So we can even use the AB equals CD pattern. Where is it? AB equals CD pattern. Now, when it's complete, we can have something like this. Okay. So you can have a small harmonic in a bigger pattern. A small harmonic. That's what I also saw for pound JPY. If you guys remember, I saw that with pound JPY. This is a small harmonic in a bigger harmonic pattern. Break of market structure, retest, and bam. Okay. So please, I told you guys that hold on and let's see what happens over here before, or you can close it. Then we'll look for a correction here. Then once it breaks, we continue on the buy. Okay. So this is the whole pattern for pound JPY. Remember, this whole thing is also a pattern. So you can have a pattern formation in it. Okay. So guys, any question? Any question? What are you guys looking at? Any pair you want to look at? Any pair. So I want to remind you, please, if this is your first time joining, please go and subscribe to the YouTube channel, Dr. Harmonics. Okay, this is Dr. Harmonics YouTube channel. Go and subscribe to it. And go and follow me also on Instagram at Dr. Harmonics. And tomorrow, the live trading floor is launching. You should be here to make money. We are not going to do it in a big launching. We are just here to make money. So come around, let's analyze the market. Come early so that we analyze the market and make money. Okay. So yeah, any questions so far? Any questions so far? There are a lot of chats we want to, those in the VIP, I'll get back to you. And once I have time, I'll also be live and can be talking more. Any other question? If you have question, let me know. If you have question, let me know. Yeah, we'll fire out. I want to ask a question. Please, the STR, if you've not joined the STR, there is another opportunity coming. Please prepare yourself and join. Okay. And those who have done the STR, I'll have more time for you. Take advantage of all these things that I do and also master your chart very well. I'm sure a lot of people are learning from this kind of things that, and if you've already done the STR, you are in the group, please don't miss tomorrow opportunity, especially those who can have time to come. Don't miss tomorrow opportunity. It will help you. To help. It's absolutely free for tomorrow up to Saturday or Sunday. We'll be adding weekends to it to trade volatility index. So that's it. Yeah, please, you can talk. Or fire, you can talk. Please, those who wanted to ask questions, you can let me know. You can raise your hands and I'll call you, or you can talk if your mic is open. So guys, you want to talk about anything? I see a lot of people live here, and if you want to talk, let me know. Okay. Please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go and do so. And the upcoming calls, there will be, it will only be classroom. The online people, most of them, they don't further. I want people who are, it's only already be, this time it will only be classroom. We have the evening session and the morning session. Okay. Could you film? Yeah, could you film? You can talk. Salom, I'll get back to you. Could you film? You can talk. Best time. When your setups are or your confluences are ready. I'm not a day trader that will say maybe London session is very good, but for me, I'm a swinger. So once my confluences are ready, even if it is Asian session, I'll place the trade. Especially when the day is closed, after the day is closed, after, you know, when the day is closed, when the day gets closed, I mean, spread increases. So around 11 p.m., 10:30, 11, the spread now reduces. So you can place trade after that. Or during the normal working hours, like 8 a.m. or something, okay? So London session, US session, you can place trade. But when you want to place trade during the Asian session, place it after 10:30 or 11 p.m. GMT. 00. Okay, Salon, you can talk now. Salon, you can talk now. Salon, you can talk now. Okay. I think Salon is not ready. Okay. So, Sarah, how long have you been trading? Sarah, how long have you been trading? Yeah. So, how long have you been trading? Oh, okay. Wow. Are you a day trader? Have you done the STR? No. Okay. So, which kind of, I'll do what? But we did the online version recently. That was last week. We did the online session for STR. So, please use this. Sell them. Okay, sell them, sell them. Okay, so the trading floor is basically different traders coming together. We all, I'm also a trader. You are also a trader. So um, probably I'll be there most of the time I'll be there to guide you. What I also see, but it doesn't mean that I'm always correct. It's not a place that, we'll learn from each other. Okay, we'll learn from each other. So you come, Purity and Elom, I'll get back to you. We'll learn from each other. So this guy has seen an opportunity on EuroCard. This person has seen an opportunity. So we all analyze the market, look at the different angles, and we'll look at the one which makes much sense and place the trade. At the end of the day, we all make money on the markets. And you also be learning from my experiences. Periodically, I'll bring other mentors to also come and talk to you guys and show you some few tricks, So instead of you sitting in the house, or probably you don't go to work morning to evening and you are free, you are trading, and instead of you sitting in the house, why don't you be in the midst of forex traders, analyze the market together and make money? I'm also looking at the fact that maybe in the future we'll be running even evening, like for morning 24-hour service, so that even if you close from work, you can still come around and we are all together here analyzing. You see, Elliott wave, if you want to learn Elliott wave as a complete call, then it's a different course altogether. And if Elliott wave, what we are teaching you is the best approach, because you see, have you done STR? Good. The corrections for the harmonic pattern, the legs of the corrections, you can use Elliott wave and buy or sell after the breakout of the correction. So if we see flat or zigzag, like the way I'm able to see flat or zigzag, what you need right now is how to identify the flat and the zigzag correctly. So you just have to identify all those things. Once you identify, so if you've learned Elliott wave and you've learned STR, then you should be able to identify basic harmonic patterns like this one, right? So if you're able to identify this, then you should know that even on the legs of the harmonic pattern, you have this one as a correction. So ABC correction, right? You remember this one that we were taught. Break of the C leg. So this is the impulse leg, ABC. Break of the C leg, you saw here. The ass is coming down. You see, so your first entry will be at the C leg. Maybe you had divergence around here. Okay, this is higher high. Maybe this one didn't give us divergence, but if let's say it was this one was up and maybe this one was coming down, you have divergence, then it's not every time that you get divergence. There may be a break like this, you sell, then you hold your sell, your first take profit. I think you've done, so your first take profit here, right? So it hits it. Now you have another Elliott wave correction, flat correction. This is an expanded flat correction. Remember, you place another trade, then it goes all the way to your take profit. So you have one trade here, all to your profit. So this is Elliott waves. This correction is an Elliott wave. But if you want to learn Elliott wave, you see, sometimes strategy, you don't need to learn so much. For me, I have perfected myself on Elliott wave as a whole theory. I've learned it to go down into the deeper, the complex corrections and other stuff. But you don't need complexity at this time. So I've given you a strategy that will help you to also make money. Imagine you have two trades like this and it should hit your take profit. This is the break of market structure. Now, if it's coming here, you know that this one is this. So it's tied the D, and it's also forming, this is forming a break of market structure rate test. So it's forming another harmonic pattern. Now, this will be the C leg of the big one, right? So it's going up. So you enter your trade. Once you see another, maybe a triangle formation like this, right? Then break of it, you enter another one here. It's going. Then you go and get maybe a flat correction, maybe an expanded flat correction like this. Break of the C leg, you enter another one. All the way, and these are Elliott wave corrections. Now, all the way to your target, which is this point. You are done. You understand? So Elliott waves are in STR. You just have to identify the legs of the pattern and use Elliott waves correctly on it. And I taught you the flat, I taught you the triangle. You just have to understand it well. We'll do momentum. You see, as you are doing it, it will come. They say, you'll be like, okay, that's how it is. So it's a mentorship. And it is not, I was also once like you. So the mentorship is what to guide you to become that. You understand? Nobody started with open eyes like this. You have to learn. So I'll drop a book in there is a book in the library, STR library, about Elliott waves. Go and read it, especially the corrections, the Elliott wave corrections, just the simple ones I taught you. Read more about it and you'll be able to identify. I'm sure for everybody who has done STR, identifying the pattern is not a problem. But what now you want to see is when to add on new trades. And that's when you need Elliott wave corrections, right? So once you get the 3 types of Elliott wave correction, which is the flat, zigzag, and triangle, then you can. So focus on what you don't know, because for the harmonic patterns, it should be very easy to identify. You know that the B is always the breakout of market structure. So once you get the B, the C is just the retracement and aggressive entry at the C. So the XA is the impulsive move that caused the break of market structure. Then the C, and we are going to the D. You understand? What should be your worry now is when to add on new trades after your first trade. And that's where Elliott wave corrections comes in. Me, I'll teach you, but you also need to go and learn. I've given you the resources, the Elliott wave books. Learn it. I was also like you. You can't be super in 1 week or 2 weeks or 1 month or something. You learn every day. That's why I do all this exercise. A beginner will not understand what I'm saying now, but since you've done STR, you would understand what I'm saying now, and that can help you to also identify the patterns and play some trades. Okay. So these exercises are very important for you to gain your faith. It's time you understand it. Don't worry. You'll get it small. Okay. You see those people who also post chats in the group. They also do STR. Some have not even done STR. They just learn from me. What I've been doing every day, that's what they learn, and they'll be able to also place the trades or draw the patterns that you see. You understand? So you also have to learn. Don't leave everything to me. Once I teach you, learn on the line of what I've taught you, and you'll be able to get it. Okay. Guys, any questions? So, Sarah, what strategy are you using? Are you using pure price action, or what are you using? But did you join the foundation course? Did you join the beginners course? Wow. Wow. That's a free course. The head and shoulder, double top, double what, and all those things. These are the price action. That's why they are beginners course, and we taught them during the, you know. Stephen, how is it going? Mr. Stephen, how is it going? Okay, Martinez. Mr. Stephen is not ready, Martinez. Martin, what's up? How is it going? Hey, your voice like me. Anyway, uh, is there, okay. Mr. Stephen, Stephen, how is it going? Okay, Stephen is still not ready. Joe Boaben, Joe Boaben, yeah, Joe. Joe, how is it going? Okay, I think it's okay now. Yeah, Stephen. Yeah, good. Okay. Alright. Yeah, good. Okay, Sarah. Um, yes, etc. Etc. Okay. Etc. is not ready to speak. Sarah. Uh, not only those in Ghana. It depends on the country that you are. Yeah, you can access it. Hmm. Okay. S. Whose name is S? S. 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 You want to ask a question? You want to speak? You can speak S. Yeah, good evening. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you for that. Okay. Michael. Michael. You can talk now. Michael, you can talk now. Michael Niamo, you can talk now. Okay, Michael is not ready. Maximum, you can speak now. Yeah, Maximum, you can talk. Oh, Maximum, please, you can talk. Okay. Okay. Um, Vida, how is it going? Vida, how is it going? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. That's good. That's good. That's good. How's the experience been so far with the signals? If share now, way now up and now down. Hey, imagine. Yeah. 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 Thank you. Yeah. Thank you very much for that too. Okay, Richard. Richard, you can speak now. Richard, you can speak now. Okay. Platte, is it Platte? Platte, you can speak now. Platte, you can speak now. Richard, you want to speak? Okay. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, I can hear you. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Okay. Michael Niamujani. Michael Niamujani. Will end very soon. It's already 8. So you can only sell when there is a break. Okay. So it can also go up here. So just wait for the break of volatility 25 and see where it will go. This can form an ABC correction before the drop. So once you see a break, a significant break above, then you buy to this level. Once you see a breakdown, then you are selling. Okay. So that's, but I saw volatility 50 index. Did a 4 hour. Okay, so this was the whole pattern. ABCX, ABCX, ABC. So we are coming down to this level. Okay. Now, there's it. See what I did? I think it's playing out perfectly. So we have, this is a simple flat correction. A, B, C, D, E. So so even within here, you can use harmonics to determine where it's coming to. So this is the break of market structure. It broke this level. So you have here as the B, right? 50. This one exceeds this one. So it's either a shark or a cipher. So you have it. Take profit one. Take profit one will be at the B level. You remember, those who have done STR, you remember. So take profit one here. Take profit two will be at 70.6. Then take profit two will be at 88 because it can form a shark between 88 to 113. Between 88 to 113. 113 is down. Okay, so first of all, we are targeting the zone. So let's go to the 50 minutes. Let's draw a harmonic pattern first to target our first take profit, shark or cipher. Now, so let's save it. Now let's go to the 15 minutes. So we've done top-down analysis from higher time frame to lower time frame. Now on this time frame, we have this. Okay, so it's basically this. So ABC. So this. This. Basically an ABC formation. ABC. So it's selling, right? So you should be holding your cells. So this can form 1, 2, 1, 2. So A, B, C. Okay, to this level. Okay. So you can go in for your cells here. I'm looking at placing, maybe last time I did I place for? Let me buy 5. I'm buying 5 or 2 lot size. Let me buy 5 lot size. Yeah. I'll put my stop loss about here. 217.85. Volatility is very, very, like, it moves a lot. So please don't lose money. Don't risk money you cannot afford to lose. So we are already in profit. Already in profit. These are simple strategies. Okay. You see, STR works in synthetic indices, and it also works in forex. Okay. So your first take profit is here, 209.2044. So if you place 2 trades, you can close one here, go the other way. Okay, so that's live trade. I'm already in profit. So guys, any question? Any question? So if you are not in the synthetic indices, the volatility index trade, VIP, please open your account through the link that I provided and join the VIP, so that, because this kind of trades, we'll be placing them over the weekend. Most of the time, I'm very active over the weekend when it comes to volatility. And the trading floor, Saturday and Sunday will be trading volatility. So Sunday, maybe after work, after church, so I'm sorry, I read one can work. So after church, then we can come around and trade. And Saturdays too. No sleeping day. Boy, so we are waiting for more. Yeah, then I'll wait for you guys. You know, and we'll all be making money. I'm already in profit, guys. I'm already in profit. Okay, is it still coming down? This live trading, no. This live trading. It's not. This live trading. This live trading. And please don't be going to boom. How do you call it? The one that boom and cry, the one that you be there, then it will take your money away. We have boom and crash. That one is dangerous. It's quite dangerous. And volatility index is quite putting money, don't put so much that you cannot afford to risk. Okay. So So please open the account and join Volatility Index VIP. Open the Infinox too, and I have the links all in the Telegram group. You can join. Like something like this. Oh, I not even placed it in the VIP. My phone is even off. You can see. So VIP people, if you are in the VIP place, you can place the trade there. My phone is off. This is a perfect trade, a perfect one. You see, so these are the earlier 12 corrections, A, B, C. So if you had entered over here, okay, if you had entered here, let's say you have divergence here. Let's say you have divergence here, right? And you get your break around this level, right? You sell over here, it breaks this level to form a correction. This is an ABC correction. Now, a break of the C leg or this break like this, you enter another position, it comes. Then maybe you come and get a flat, or then you enter another position all the way to your TP. So these are the earlier 12 corrections that you need in the STR. That's all. It's not any major. Okay. Oh. Oh. See this one that I told you. It's still selling now. The volatility 75 that we did is still selling. Hello to STR is very powerful, guys. I don't know which kind of, you just have to learn it very well. It's very, very powerful. I did something and I can't find it in it. Which pair were we looking at? Which pair? I can't find the. Let me see. Okay. So guys, I want to leave you guys, and I'm expecting you guys, everybody, to be here tomorrow. Those who can come. Yeah, Kojo Fame. Please, you can talk. Yeah, you can talk. Okay, it's gone. Okay. I think everybody has nothing to say. Let me check YouTube. I think YouTube. Let me check YouTube whether Okay. Okay, so they've all gone. Okay. How to use the fib on the chart. Um, will you kindly explain how to use the fib? So the fib, if you want to learn the fib, is basically the STR strategy. Basically the STR strategy. You can learn it based on the STR strategy. So please go and subscribe to my video if you've not subscribed to the video. And that's how best you can support my work. So thank you, Emmanuel Aqua, Fee, Elom, Winfred, Rains, Abraham, Carl, and all of Carl. I've seen your message, I'll attend to it. Sarah, hoping that you join the next STR. Signal Lord, Signal Lord, wow. Okay. Victor, I see you, Official Secho, nice name. James, okay. So guys, thank you very much for being with me. I really appreciate it. I want to see everybody at trading floor tomorrow. And let's vibe, let's hang out. So see you tomorrow. Okay, so thank you very much. And